Hello, Curious Wargaming here again. It is still the 11th of November here. It will most definitely be weeks after by the time this video comes out. But I'm deciding to mount some upgrades on South Carolina. See if I can improve my impression of her. So I've gone for better engine, basically, and better guns, essentially. And we're going to take her out on a co-op battle. Still have the 200% bonus for XP. So if we do well in this battle with these modifications, we should turn the tide a little, as opposed to staying with the same old ships for the next 4 months. So this is going to be very interesting. I don't know if you guys bothered about the whole bird thing, the latest chat on Twitter thing, but gonna tell you anyway. My cover was blown, and you know, I just couldn't be asked to carry on with it anymore. It went on for a good 3 hours, and I just gave up. I was like, "What this? You're all cunts," and I left the chat. Yeah, it got into a massive war though. I really did piss off some people, so that was very, very pleasing on my half. I did do some particularly brilliant stuff. I particularly pissed off a friend who blew my cover, hopefully, I think. Also, it was quite creepy, some of the guys in that chat, because to get back at me, they were trying to ask for this girl's Snapchat of this friend of mine, and I thought it was probably one of the creepiest things I've done. And this guy just kept going on and on and on about getting this girl's Snapchat, and this friend of mine posted loads and loads of pictures of her in the chat, and it was just starting to get creepy. So I decided, you know, for her sake at least, I'll just leave, and I don't, you know, attracted to her anymore. So that's my social life. You know, yeah, just do some World of Warships. So I have been detected. Oh, I love this. South Carolina is so much faster.
Thank you. Much obliged. Received. I'm on it.
Ooh, hello.
Enemy
Ah,
force
that's what
detected.
tab does. Hey, if you press tab, the scoreboard comes up. Now they said stick together, but we all seem to split off, which is always a good one when you're sticking together. I feel sorry for these cruisers as they have no battleships at all. Because there are 2 battleships going around, and this guy seems to be... I don't even think he's moving. So I'm going to go help these cruisers out. Oh, wait, hang on, what's going on? Now the other one's going the other way. Now this guy's just going in on his own. Oh, do you know what? This is going to be an interesting battle, guys.
Enemy battleship sighted.
Sometimes teamwork is not the answer. And he's dead. Contribution to this battle so far, zilch. Contribution to social life, zilch. People pissed off today, 18. So could be better. Could have a higher count. shoot at this guy. Oh, they were way out. They were nowhere near. Oh. Okay, update. This friend of mine was never going to give the Snapchat away, but he did seem quite convincing. So I'm just messaging him back saying, well played. I left only for her sake. I'm not attracted to her.
Our team has taken the lead.
So, nice shots there, taking out this guy's steering, I believe. I'm going to try and swing round and make sure all my guns are pointing at him. Oh, nice little ram there from my team. That was good. So what's this? Oh, it must be another South Carolina. So I'm just putting to a stop here. Has he just gone in for another round? No, he must have just blown up. Oh great, I'm being shot at now. Someone just streaming. I don't even know what's going on, guys. My mind is gone. Completely. It is not working good tonight. Though I am liking the greater maneuverability of the greater speed that these upgrades have given the South Carolina. Expensive though they were, you get tons of money. This guy's just completely stopped. He's a sitting duck right now. Probably because he crashed into the island. Could not think what it was called. Maybe I'll be cheating. I'll send some armor piercing, see if it can do any greater damage.
Enemy severely damaged.
Yes, it does. Use armor piercing when you're a battleship. Even from distance. As I've often said, you know, armor piercing a long way away. Armor piercing at close quarters. When you're a battleship, it is the other way around. Because you have bigger guns. Yeah, you've got bigger bullets. Bigger the bullets, faster they're going to travel to do greater damage. And really punch right through. We are going to do upgrade, I think, and we shall take it out again. Or shall we go for the cinders? Oh god, I can't decide. Why is everything? Why do we not have a? What's going on? I want this. No, what are you doing? Right, we shall do this. propulsion engine. So we now have 2 upgrades to our engine. We have the new engine and the upgrade engine, and we have this upgrade here. Kind of one of this, but oh, the Wyoming is next. Right, I'm going to take out the Syphilis, and I'm going to put some upgrades on it. No, I'm not, because we are so close to getting the Phoenix. Yeah, well, no, we're not. Right, I'm going to put in greater steering, and I'm also going to stick in this one. And we're heading to battle. So we'll see how crazy the maneuverability is now that we've added it on. Now, I still believe that the St. Louis will still be better than the South Carolina. I just believe it is the better of the 2 ships for their tier. Oh, we have an aircraft now.
Action stations. I need fire support. Affirmative. Thank you. Stone the crows. Good luck and fair seas. Good luck, everyone. Many thanks.
See, this destroyer in front of me has just asked for
Proceeding to
support,
assist you.
but he's just sped off, and how the hell am I supposed to help him? He's just going to get himself right into trouble. Unless he's going to try and cap C early and then come back. And I doubt it. Given the way that we spawned, we're most probably going to end up coming into some form of trouble. Here we go, torpedo boats. Torpedo planes, even.
Enemy force
Now,
detected.
I have played that before, didn't record it. Sorry, there's no proof, but I was getting molested. I was in the St. Louis, and I was getting molested in the by torpedo planes, and because of its maneuverability of the St. Louis, see, that was expertly dodged. I think he's got his speed boost on there, the way he's drifting there. No, because of the maneuverability, I was able to have some real good dodging with it whilst maintaining a good rate of fire. And with this steering upgrade that I've put on it, it may greatly improve my chances. So we're just going to swing right round. Yeah, who am I going to pull to this guy? Battleship. destroyer I have to torpedo the
Reporting your target position.
battleship. I do believe he's saying no, we should be attacking this cruiser. And I'm telling him, no, we need to be taking out that NASA. You're entirely wrong. Where were those torps going? No, we completely missed.
The ship is on fire. Problem solved.
No, I want the kill. Yes, I got him.
Cruiser destroyed.
Trial by fire. I believe.
Our team has taken the lead. Roger. Proceeding to assist you.
Okay, now where are these torpedo planes going? They look like they're going in for a run. Are they going? They're going for the destroyer. Yeah. Alright, I'm going to use some armor piercing on this guy because I don't seem to be getting anywhere with high explosives. And it's good I'm drawing his fire. These torpedoes probably shouldn't have fired them. These torpedoes do not finish up. Yeah, he's gone.
Torpedoes to starboard.
Hello.
Our victory is
No,
in
no,
sight.
those ones.
That's how it's done. Good luck and fair seas.
Oh, we had a battleship to port as well. I'm gonna. Is it just the one plane in that torpedo group? They're definitely going in for the destroyer. I don't even know whether it's on or off. Is this off? Okay, maybe this is off. Talking about my anti-aircraft fire there. See that destroyer's got some anti-aircraft fire going? Aha, now are these going for me? No, they're not. Game over. Nice one. So, 62 hits, 1 destroyed, 4 set on fire. Damn, that's where I'm going to wrap this up, guys. See you next time. Curious Wargaming out.